For this video, I will be discussing the trigonometric ratios of a 45, 45, 90 degree right triangle. So in a 45, 45, 90 degree right triangle, so this is the leg here, and this is also a leg, and this is the hypotenuse. So if we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem, we're going to have L squared plus L squared equals hypotenuse squared. So there are two legs, so 2L squared equals height or hypotenuse squared. Then extract the square roots of both sides. So we're going to have square root of L squared is L, the leg, times the square root of 2. Then the right side will be the hypotenuse. So in here, hypotenuse is equal to the leg times the square root of 2. Now, if we're going to have the trigonometric ratios, first we are going to have the sine. Now, if we're going to have the 6 trigonometric ratios, first is the sine of 45 degree. So, if we are going to have this angle as our reference angle, this is 45 degrees. So, sine of 45 degree is opposite, which is L, over the hypotenuse, which is L times the square root of 2. Cancel, cancel. Then our answer here will be 1 over square root of 2. Then rationalize the denominator by multiplying the numerator and denominator by square root of 2. So this will be equivalent to 1 times square root of 2 is square root of 2 over square root of 2 times square root of 2 is 2. So this is the value of sine of 45, square root of 2 over 2. Then let's have cosine. Cosine of 45 degree. If this is our reference angle again, so cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. So adjacent side is same leg, then over hypotenuse. So if we're going to solve for cosine of 45, it's just the same as the sine of 45 degree, which is square root of 2 over 2. Then for tangent, so tangent of 45 degree, that is just the length of the opposite side over the adjacent side, which is the leg. So L over L. So this is equivalent to 1. Now, if we're going to have the cosecant, this is just the inverse of sine. So cosecant of 45 is just the inverse of, or the reciprocal of 1 over square root of 2 here. So reciprocal of this one is square root of 2 over 1. So cosecant of 45 degrees is square root of 2. And secant is just the same, which is secant of 45 degree is also square root of 2. And the last one, cotangent of 45 degrees is also equivalent to 1, which is the reciprocal of 1. So reciprocal of 1 is 1. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios of a 45, 45, 90 degree right triangle. So sine of 45 is square root of 2 over 2. Cosine of 45 is square root of 2 over 2. Tangent of 45 degree is 1. Cosecant of 45 degrees square root of 2. Secant of 45 degrees square root of 2. And cotangent of 45 degrees is equal to 1. So if there's a problem, for example, the problem says secant of 45 squared plus tangent of 45. This is degree. So secant of 45 squared plus tangent of 45, you'll just use the given value of the trigonometric ratio of a 45, 90 degree right triangle. So secant of 45 here is square root of 2. So we're going to have square root of 2 squared plus tangent of 45 is 1. So we're going to have 1. Then square root of 2 squared is 2. So we're going to have 2 plus 1, which is equivalent to 3. So secant of 45 squared plus tangent of 45 is equal to 3. Example number 2, let's have tangent of 45 degrees plus cotangent of 45 degrees. So tangent of 45 degree is equal to 1 plus cotangent of 45 is also 1. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Example number 3. Six cosine of 45 degrees plus 3 secant of 45 degrees. So this is equivalent to 6, copy 6, and cosine of 45 degrees is square root of 2. So 6 times square root of 2 over 2, this is cosine of 45, plus 3 times secant of 45 is square root of 2. Then, if we're going to multiply 6 times square root of 2 over 2, this can be cancelled. So 6 divided by 2 is 3, so we're going to have 3 times the square root of 2, then plus 3 times the square root of 2. So 3 plus 3, 6. So our answer is 6 times the square root of 2. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching.